what are some of the key metrics that AI can help us track as we try to assess sales performance? We were just talking about 2025 goals and how we're all looking to do better in 2025. How can AI really help us get there, specifically around metrics and sales performance?
Yeah, so around metrics and sales performance, there are so many tools that have popped up to track these types of things, right? And I also feel like you have to know if you're improving, right? So I think if we're talking specifically around sales coaching and sales coaching metrics, how you're performing at different stages of the sales conversation, having some type of numerical association with your ability to perform at different stages allows you to chase the carrot. And any great salesperson, regardless of their level of expertise, wants to chase the carrot. That's why we're all in sales, right? And so if we have something we can chase, so for example, if I received a score on negotiation of 5, which I never would because I'm a great negotiator. Anywho, if you received the 5 and your goal was to get to 8, if you can identify how you can get there through your improved skill set around negotiation, and then AI can support you to rescore that through your sales conversations, that's a really important metric for success. Because I've coached so many sales teams, I've restructured sales teams, I've built sales teams from the ground up. And if they don't know what to focus on, they don't focus on anything. It's like herding cattle or cats, right? Like any great salesperson is really ambitious, right? And when you're ambitious and you have lots of interest and you want to do well, it's our job as leaders to help sales professionals focus so that they can grow. And if they don't have a metric assigned with it, they end up just floundering everywhere. And you can see that in decreased sales velocity, more deals lost, etc. So I think that's a really powerful way for AI to support us so that we know what KPI or metric we're chasing. And since the conversation is around sales coaching, being able to put numerical numbers around your performance and certain categories of a script or syntax, depending on what you're using, is really powerful.